Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on Uptop. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say Uptop. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
We will get into our second chapter called Merit, Plan and Process. What we will do is here we will create merit plan and we will initiate the merit process to few of the employees and see whether these employees will be part of the merit process and all. Before we create merit process, what we need to have certain eligibility rules and certain compensation plans and all. We will create in a while once we talk something about merit plan. Merit plan generally they generate changes to an employee base salary. Make changes to the base salary and generally this merit plan can be based on amount based or person based where the workday merit plan does not guarantee an employee an increase in compensation. How we know it is configured is simply identifying an employee as an eligible participant when the merit process is run. When the merit process is initiated, the system evaluates all employees tracked in Workday and any employees with the plan and their compensation will be included in this process. When you are entering this merit plan as an award, the planner is performing this activity kind of in a reporting person. The planner can enter a percent increase or amount. This process will be a kind of a consolidated merit process which you will be performing because it not only you can initiate the merit process but you can also include the bonus, stock promotion, commission or alliance award in this process. You also have an option to initiate this process separately simultaneously also. Other options you may consider or include when pooling the factors such as employee and employee performance and the employee performance as guidance for the planner and then the awards for the direct reports who will be performing this activity when they are initiating the merit process. That's how we typically handle when you are initiating the merit process. Basically, merit plan can be amount based or percentage based. Have you said no? I was saying why it takes couple of minutes to unmute. I have edited but not created because merit cycle, I mean since I have joined, there is no merit cycle currently. You create merit plans only when there is a cycle. Basically, whenever you're creating a merit plan, the basic setup that you require is you need to have an eligibility rule. You need to have eligibility rule which specifies to certain group of people you know your merit applies when you initiate this one. You need to have an eligibility rule when you are setting up this merit plan. Probably we need to create one or two eligibility rules before we create this one. And also you can define merit plan profiles that can assign a percentage or different amount increase to a population of eligible employees as defined by a compensation eligibility rule where you'll be specifying that this group has to get this kind of compensation plan or kind of increment, and all know you'll be specifying that one. And the target percentage that you'll be specifying here is calculated using the employee's total base pay, and you can also select the apply merit increases to the total primary compensation basis for an employee using merit basis, manage basis total. When you're configuring the merit plan, the minimum checkbox that you need to create a plan and any merit plan requires is when a plan is subject to the statutory increases. This will enable workers associated with the plan to receive a minimum increase during the merit process. You can enable and override it to the all. These are the options what I'm talking about. You can enable an override option to saturate minimum at the time of merit pool configurations, and this will allow entry if an amount less than a statutory minimum. All override will enable you to perform some kind of evaluations, and the kind of options that we have when you're configuring a merit plan is the first. One is manage basis total. You'll be selecting this if you wanted to apply merit process to the total. That just one option that you'll be having and already creating merit plan and allow target override is one of the option that you'll be getting. We'll not be using every option that we have in the configuration part, but everything in a specific to the organization. But we'll be discussing all the options that are available here. Allow target override will permits you the entry of the target percentage of an individual employee assigned to this plan. This makes the individual target field available for entry on the whenever you are performing a request compensation change task and in compensation assignments for staffing events when you are using this plan. This permits the entry of that. You will be doing this one and hide target. Which will perform a target heights when you're doing the merit plan configuration. This is one of the options that you'll be getting. Or also target percentage is nothing, but you know which will be coming. You know when you select your merit plan based on percentage. And generally will be selecting this option when you will not be going with amount based plan. One thing which you'll be getting whenever you select percentage based plan and reference currency is nothing. But which will be getting whenever you select a single currency. Reference currency will be getting and reference frequency whenever you wanted to have something related to, percentage plans. Whenever this workday wanted to use this frequency to calculate the actual cost of the bonus or in a minus of any currency fluctuations or not enough, you'll be selecting this one. For reference currency, you'll be giving the single currency when you have. All these are, these are options when you'll be creating a merit plan. These are the mostly used options. Whenever you are using, this merit plan, but we have in a few more options. Probably we'll see whenever we are creating this merit plan. But before that, I think let's get into the tenant and try to create merit plan and see if how we know we can ensure the merit process. And all before that, we need to have as a prerequisite, we need to have some eligibility rules for, taking this merit process to intended team members. I'll create one or two eligibility rules which I can use in this merit plan. I know I've created earlier, but don't remember who are all the intended team members. Organization. Organization and speeder organization. Organization compensation. I have taken one of the eligibility rules that I can use in merit plan where I am creating people who under this organization will be getting the compensation merit plan when I initiate this one. Now let's create a merit plan. Generally, we have a task called Create Merit Plan. As I said, we'll be having both amount-based and percentage-based plan and selecting percentage-based plan. And whatever options that I was talking about, you'll be seeing all those things here. I just given enough a specific, suppose that organization, I wanted to initiate the merit process. I just given supervisor organization based and target percentage selected to. And all these options, I said, whatever we're explaining here. Marriage managed basis total will be based on the employees, say no primary compensation, and a low to target or a day, which allows you to make any kind of an over to the kind of person that you'll be defining. All these are based on your kind of requirement that you'll be having. You'll be selecting this one. Eligibility rule. I'll be specifying whatever I've created here. Suppose your organization, one I've created, I'll be selecting this one, that this merit plan, whatever I'm specifying, will be applicable for this organization. I'll take whatever I have created here. It is a good deal for organization. Once I have the merit plan created, the next process is, once you have the merit plan created, it to roll out the compensation process. Need to initiate the merit plan and roll out this compensation plan to the merit process. Now, in order to just talk a little about the rollout merit plan, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.